Hey friends, Vale here. I recently just came back from the Thunder Ignite 2026 event, which was held in Quitman, Texas. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere, but it is so cool once you actually get to the headquarters and check it out. So I wanted to bring you guys along. I took a lot of footage there, and I really wanted you guys to get a behind the scenes look of what the event was about. Every single year, Thunder Laser USA holds this amazing event for their community, and it is filled with trainings, it's filled with community, it's filled with food. It was so wonderful. So come along with me and I will walk you through everything we saw there. Hey friends, we're here at Ignite 2026 and there's a lot of stuff going on behind me, so I'm going to walk you around and give you a quick look at what's going on here. This is Chris Myers talking about maintenance and safety. And then we've got Houston Acrylic talking about creative projects. And this is where I presented a little bit about fun ways that you can use acrylic with your laser. We've got Simply Sally over here, talking about how to engrave tumblers and using Canva to be able to do this. Just engraving tumblers with Maker Supply and Rotoboss rotary attachments. We have Joe with Lightburn. Okay, and then we have Chris Lacazio over here teaching folks how to master photo engraving, and there's quite a lot of people here learning how to do this. And then right here we've got Lone Star Adhesive and Wild Willow laser engraving, talking about hat patches and how to engrave hat patches. Say hi, girly. What are you guys teaching about?
How to make really cool custom hat patches and how to put them on hats. And actually a lot of Lightburn stuff.
Love it.
Yeah.
So what is the biggest question people are asking you?
How to get to the base layer of the tri-layer acrylic.
Okay. Yeah.
And it's always material test.
All right.
You got to run your material test.
All right. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Hello, I'm Grant from Thunder Laser USA. I'm the VP, and we're at Ignite 2026, where it's all about getting community together, training, and getting people ready to sell with their machines and have a good time.
How many people are here today?
We've got 102 attendees. We've got like 20 to 30 brand ambassadors and employees, so I think all in around 140. We're having a great
Are you
time.
going to do it next year?
Of course, we're going to do it every year. Clay wants to do 2 a year, but
We'll see.
I'm sticking at 1 for now. It's a lot of work.
How many lasers do we have out here demoing?
Man, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And some upstairs that I was using, so yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What you doing? Ooh. We've got the fiber lasers going, or the galvos. Check it out. Lots of testing happening over here. So good. All right. Say hi. What do you guys like so far? What's been your favorite thing?
Your booth, of course.
Oh, yes! Says he likes my booth. Okay, but what's your big takeaway?
Really, your booth.
Really? So you're going to go buy a lot of acrylic and play with it?
Yes.
Love it.
From Houston Acrylics.
Love it. Love it. So glad to have you here. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, beautiful. I'm good. Tell us what you're learning today.
Oh my God, everything.
Any big takeaways so far?
Learning how you did the tri-layer and putting it together to make it.
Make it shake.
Yes.
She's talking about shaker cavities. So fun.
Oh my God.
You're gonna be making more of those.
Oh, absolutely. I can't wait. I'm going to start tomorrow.
Good.
So,
Start today.
yeah.
I love it.
Well, tonight I can do some more tonight when I get home. That, and I'm learning from Willow, of course, with using
she's so
the
talented.
leather with acrylic inlays. Oh my God, love it. Oh my God,
Are you gonna
love
come
it.
back next year?
Absolutely. I will be here with bales.
Woo!
'Cause love learning.
We're gonna get over here. Tell us
What's
who you
up?
are. Tell us who you are. What are you doing here?
I don't know what I'm doing here, actually. Yeah.
Tell us who you are. What is
My name is Josh. I own a company called Lone Star Adhesive, and we're here hanging out with everybody.
teaching everybody?
Vectors and nodes and all that good stuff, and setting layers up and all that cool stuff. And yeah,
So cool.
yeah, UV printed, all the whole nine. Yeah.
All right. Oh, well, that's very laser. That's okay. That's like the fun part here, where all the little conversations, we love those. Hey, tell us what you're teaching people here.
Creative projects in Bale's booth.
Apparently it's Bale's booth, but it's got Houston acrylic on here, but you know, it's very cool. I'm glad you're here. All right, friends, there you have it. That was a behind the scenes look at everything that we did at Thunder Ignite 2026. We loved making these super cute shaker keepsakes. They were so much fun, and I think they were a huge hit. So I would encourage you, if you do own a Thunder laser, to really check out the Ignite event, because there is so much learning happening, so much community, so many people that you're gonna meet. It is definitely worth a trip if you wanna get involved with the community and learn some really cool things with your laser. All right, friends, I will see you in the next video. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.